Bells Farm, music is for everyone and every lesson is a chance to shine.
Makes me wanna dance.
Our pupils enjoy a rich, exciting music curriculum that's fun and inclusive. We bring music to life by using a variety of resources including charanga, young voices, music services for education and Sing Up. Pupils enjoy music in a wide range of ways, from songs and games performing on stage to interactive tools and creative projects. In Year 3, our children begin their instrumental journey with the recorder, learning to read music, play melodies and perform with pride. By Year 4, they're rocking out on guitars, building skills, confidence and a love for making music together. Our pupils don't just learn music, they live it. They sing, play, create and perform with joy and confidence.
We have a wide selection of music things to do. Every year group learns to play the glockenspiels, Year 3 learn to play the recorder, and Year 4 receive brass instruments or learn to play the guitar. And my favourite thing to do is Young Voices. Young Voices is where schools get together and we sing lots of music songs.
And my favourite song is Bon Jovi. You know how we're preparing for choir, Year 4s, Year 5s and Year 6. So we're singing a bunch of songs like a Disco Fever, the Wicked Medley and stuff like that.
At Bells Farm, every child finds their voice, their rhythm and their love for music, because at our school, music matters.